In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Login in Base44. We'll be working directly inside the Base44 app editor, and the goal is to enable Google as a social sign-in option for your project. This is a useful way to make login faster and more convenient for your users, since many people prefer signing in with an existing Google account instead of creating a separate username and password. To get started, go to Base44 and open your project in the Base44 app editor. Once your project loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one app. Starting in the right project is important, so any authentication changes are applied where you expect them to be. Next, click on Dashboard. This will bring you into the main control area for your project, where you can access the core settings and configuration options. If you're new to Base44, think of the dashboard as the central place where most app-level adjustments begin. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the configuration options that affect how your app behaves behind the scenes, including sign-in methods, permissions, and other important features. Inside Settings, click on Authentication. This is where Base44 lets you control how users log into your application. If your app already supports another login method, you'll usually see those options here as well. The authentication area is specifically where you manage access and identity providers. Once you're in the authentication section, go to the Google authentication area. This is the part of the settings designed specifically for connecting Google sign-in to your app. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little to find the social login provider options. Now find Google in the list of social login providers and toggle it on. Enabling the switch tells Base44 that you want Google to be available as a login option for your users. After it's turned on, the settings should reflect that Google Login is active. At this point, you've completed the process of enabling Google Login in Base44. As a good practice, it's worth reviewing the authentication page once more to confirm the change is saved and clearly enabled. That way, you can be confident the feature is ready for your app's login flow. And that's it. You now know how to add Google Login in Base44 quickly and cleanly from the app editor.